Alright guys, good evening everyone. So I think this is the way I'll be doing my price review. I most times I work with my phone. So it's easier for me to make these videos with my phone rather than going to my laptop and doing all of this stuff. So I think this is the best way I can be doing market reviews. So probably every end of the day I just do market reviews like this, and I hope this helps. And if you guys want it, please let me know. Come to my DM and tell me, or probably just let me know in the group if you want something like this. So basically, let's go to the H1. So you guys know the rules for last higher time frame order flow. So basically, this was, I remember I shared this with you guys yesterday. So just go to your section box, you turn on your section box. So we had this previous day last higher time frame order flow for sell. We price took it out. That was yesterday. So price took it out, it became our buy area. I remember I told you guys. And so what are we waiting for? Sell. We're waiting to get a sell last higher time frame order flow from the previous day. So this was London. So, and how do you identify that? This is very simple. As soon as one higher time frame order flow is taken out, we wait for the next to form. So what is for, in this case that we are bullish, what are we looking out for? We want a bearish candle close, then a bullish candle close. A bearish candle close suggestive of the fact that sellers are in the market. Bullish candle close, which indicates also that, or suggests that, the buyers are willing to go higher, and then we want to see the bullish candle close fail. So as soon as the bullish candle close fails, then this becomes a very valid area for sell continuation or sell reversal, if you like. So this is like the best way to catch a reversal, if price is trending towards the upside. And if you flip this, is the same thing for the buy. So if price is trending towards the downside, so, and the rule is that it must come from the previous day price action. Please note this. Now, one of the other rules that I didn't mention is that if it fails, assuming we have a buy higher time frame order flow and a sell higher time frame order flow within the previous day, we had that. So let me assume we are in a new day. We have higher time frame order flow for sell and for buy. That for us creates a range for which price is going to trade for the day. So let's assume that price took our last higher time frame order flow for the sell, which it did today. Now, mind you, do not trust any other one that is going to form within your trading session, because most likely price is going to liquidate it. It can respect it. On the other hand, it can. So expect or just be flexible with it. So let's assume this was coming from a previous day for sell, or of which you are bullish. So we are coming from the previous day. We had this price action, last higher time frame order flow for sell from the previous day. So if price during London, the price was supposed to mitigate and continue selling, which was so let's assume price now takes it out during London. So it means that we are supposed to have like another sell order flow so that we can trade this reversal back. If it happens, it may most likely be liquidated, because if it fails, it means that price is willing to target something on the higher time frame, probably on the H4 and daily. So, or maybe a very strong liquidity point above it. Do you understand? So probably we now have, during your sessions or during London, we now have another sell order flow. We have like a bearish candle, we have bullish candle, and the bullish candle failure. Do you understand that? So, which has created another sell order flow. Now, mind you, this didn't mitigate the buy. If you remember, this is what exactly, I'm just explaining what happened today. This didn't mitigate the buy, the last higher time frame order flow for buy before we had this break. So that's the reason why I didn't trust this low that much. So, but you can still be flexible to take this, to target that higher time frame stuff that price is most likely going to target. So, and the moment you get the reversal, avoid trading from these lows, because this is not the higher time frame, previous day higher time frame order flow. So price is coming for the previous day higher time frame order flow to most likely continue the buy, or whichever way trade the sell or the buy. So whatever the previous day gives us, so know what to trade continue. Probably tomorrow it was in Asia is going to build up the price action for tomorrow, so I'm not going to predict anything until London. So this is what happened today, and let me go to the chart and explain what happened on the chart. So let me delete that, let me delete this as well, delete this. So previously we had, yesterday we had this high violated, last high time frame order flow for sell violated, which becomes a buy area. So then we had this high time frame order flow formed before Asia, or now during Asia. So we had, look at it very well, we had the sell candle, we had the buy candle, and then buy candle violation. So which suggests that this area is a strong area for sell continuation. So let me just hide that. So cool, we had this area for sell, we had this area for sell, so we were going to actually sell into, we're actually going to sell into this to buy into this, to buy continue. That was actually the plan. So but we had price violating this entire area, making our sell invalid. Now I told one of the guys, I said I don't trust the buys, because I know that if this happens, previous day last high time frame order flow has been violated and price didn't give us a mitigation of this last high time frame order flow for buys. So I am not going to be buying, I'm not going to be buying from these areas. For me, these areas serve as liquidity to be taken. So I was waiting for an area to engage the sell. So if you saw how price came again and gave us a sell order flow, but this time around it was not from the previous day, it happened during London. So we had the sell candle here, buy candle, and then buy candle violation. So, and also mind you, remember we said that if your last higher time frame structure is taken, you look for, the last sell order flow was taken, so invariably this area becomes a strong area for buys. But we also have another sell order flow formed within the session, but I didn't trust it, even though I was in the sell, and the whole thing made me, in fact that was the more reason why I didn't take the buy. So I was expecting the sell off. I knew that we are going to have a huge sell off, but I didn't know that price was going to respect this zone. What am I drawing? Price is going to respect this zone here to target something on the higher time frame so that we can have the proper sell. So take note of this. If your violation happens during session, please just continue with the flow in that direction, and stop looking for reversals. So you would have gotten in on this one after the sweep of this guy, gotten in right here. The stop loss at the lows, if you don't trade the way I do with 3 to 5 pips, so you would have gotten on this buy. And then also understand that the sell-off is coming because this has not been mitigated. If you had, say, price coming into this guy, I wouldn't have been looking for a massive sell reaction like this. So this would have price must fill these spaces before we have a balanced efficiency in the market. So there must be efficiency in the market for price to be stable. So that was the reason why I didn't trust the buys initially. I wanted price to come into the sky so that we can have a proper mitigation for buy continuation, but unfortunately it didn't happen during London. It happened during late NY, and then we had the massive sell-off of which I was part of it. And then what was the area for our buy continuation? Last higher time frame order flow for buys. And now if you look at this critically on the 5 minutes, what would have been your entry? The last reaction that took out the order flow. The last reaction that took out the order flow. Last reaction. So look at this on the M5. All right, so this was the last reaction. You see that now? Look at this reaction that took out this guy. So price came and swept it, and then we had what? The buys here. But I was not on seat to take this, or rather I missed it here. I wasn't on seat to take this. You would have gotten in here with the 5 pips as soon as price was rejecting back here, and then target is this area that was supposed to continue the sell. So first target would have been that area, and then you watch price do its thing and see what to build from Asia into London, and then we know the direction for the market. I hope this helps somebody. I hope you got value from it. I'll be doing this more often if you guys encourage me to. All right, for now I think that's all. Peace out, guys.